Hello students, in this video we will be learning about General DSB-SC. Consider a system shown in the figure. He given m of t, this is a cos omega ct, here two summers given, this is a multiplier, you can feel as a V1, system 1, system 2, AV1 square, AV2 square plus minus output. The first question, the value of K such that the output represents a DSB-SC signal. We need to calculate the K value such that in that output, output should be a DSB. So he is saying output should be a DSB. We know what is a DSB. DSB-SC is nothing but a message multiplied by carrier. That term is called DSB. So first calculate output. Why we are waiting? Calculate the output. So I can say what is the output equal to from here itself? A V1 square minus B V2 square. That is A into, what is the V1? V1 is nothing but C, M of t plus A cos omega ct and also multiplied by K. So I can say square na, so K square into M of t plus A cos omega ct. And this also we need to square. Minus B V square. So minus B, what is V2 square? What is the V2 sir? M of t is positive, but A cos omega ct is negative. So M of t, here there is no K factor. Minus A cos omega ct multiplied. So I can say output equal to, it's like a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Expand a k square into a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2 into a into k square into another a into ab, m of t into cos omega ct. Next, minus a minus b whole square. In the a minus b whole square formula, a square b square cos square omega ct minus 2ab. Already minus will be plus. So 2 into b into a into m of t into cos omega ct. If you observe there, total how many terms are there, students? If you clearly observe there are total of 6 terms is there. Are you getting my point or not? Total there are of 6 terms. In that 6 terms, if you clearly observe, what is the DSB-SC terms, sir? DSB-SC term is nothing but message multiplying by carrier. So obviously, first term, second term, fourth term, fifth term is not our DSB. These two will be chances of DSB because message multiplying with the carrier terms. So if you make this as only DSB, the value of it such that it should be a DSB-SC signal, then what we need to do, these 4 terms should be 0. When those 4 terms will be 0, if this coefficient is equal to this one or this coefficient is equal to this one, anyone you can make. So if you equate that, a k square value will be b, then k value will be root of b by a. Equate. Anyhow, this is positive negative automatically cancel. Here also, a k square value will be b a square. These both are cancelled. A k square equal to b only. So if k value is this, then definitely the signal is a DSB. Second problem, a value equal to 10, m of t is cos 1000 pi t, b value 1. What is the bandwidth and power of a DSB-SC signal is asking. Means if you substitute this k value here, then you will get the DSB-SC signal and he given some constant values. What is the power and bandwidth he is asking. Of course, for calculation of bandwidth, no need of that expression also, because bandwidth is 2 FM. Here message signal is 1000 pi t means FM value is 500. What is the bandwidth? 2 times of 500. It will be, bandwidth will be 1 kilohertz. But for power calculation, we need. So first get the DSB expression. So DSB-SC expression is nothing but substitute this K value. So K square root will be gone, B by A gone. The remaining is 2BA. Here also 2BA. 2 plus 2 will be 4. So you will get 4BA M of t into cos omega c. What is the B value, sir? He given 1. What is capital A value, sir? He given 10. Substitute there, then you will get DSB-SC is 110. 10 into 4, 40 M of t into cos omega c. What is the power, sir? Here cos term is there. Simply RMS value whole square. RMS value means take amplitude divide by root 2 whole square. So 40 square by 2 into, like my point or not? M square of t. M square of t means what? Power of the message. What is the message given? This is the given message. So what is the power? RMS value whole square. RMS value means amplitude divided by root 2 whole square. Amplitude is given 1. 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. 40 square are simple. 4 square is 16. This 2 zeros will write. 16 by 4. 4. 2 zeros are there. So 400 watt. So you can see bandwidth is 1 kilohertz and the power is 400 watt. So obviously option D is suitable. Anyhow, for bandwidth calculation or expression, I already given 2 times message signal frequency 2 500s or 1000 and we got the power. Of course, power is 400. So option D. This is a question based on the given some block diagram, or you can also say this is a balanced modulator. You can also say this is a problem based on the balanced modulator. 2 nonlinear devices, because square relation you can say. The system 1 and system 2 are nonlinear devices. There I taken as a diodes. So if you understand the concept in a in-depth manner, means by reading number of times you will understand. So directly if you see this block diagram, you cannot find it is a balanced modulator. Same balanced modulator only, just a small modifications. But for the students, you cannot recognize this is a balanced modulator. So when you will get that point, sir, whenever if you are reading number of times and seeing actually what is a circuit, got my point or not? Then you will get that logic.